Alright, good morning everyone and welcome back to our another video. So today we have here the 2022 Mercedes G63. We'll be doing the entire front lip paint protection in this one. So we already did the fender since it's already protected. All this bumper is already protected. So the only thing left now is the hood. So right now I'm just going to show you how to do this hood. This one is like a little bit tricky, so I'll just kind of show you step by step guide how to do it. So yeah, it's gonna be half kit and half both. What do I mean by that? Right. When I say half kit, it's gonna be kit computer cut all from this side here, and then all the way down to the front. It's gonna be both. So I'm gonna stretch it all the way to the front down here. So yeah, let's do this. Alright folks, here we go. So right now I'm just gonna unroll the film over the hood. So I already dried this area here, so I'm just gonna tack it there and then roll it all over the hood. So here it is. I'm just gonna spray, make sure everything is soaked with soap and water, so know the reason of that, so we don't leave it dry marks over the areas when we stretch it, right? So here it is. So as I've said, the top portion of the head is computer cut. So I'm just gonna line this up. I'm just gonna line the hole up and then go from there. Okay, so yeah, I just didn't show the top portion. So I just gonna proceed to the front corners. So as you've noticed, I just stretch the film over to the corner, then tack it to the corner portion. That way I can eliminate the fingers in that area. So those are the aggressive areas in the corner here. And after that, go ahead, proceed to the other side. Same. Stretch it in the air. Don't stretch it over the hood areas, otherwise you'll be dragging the glues into the surface and you're gonna have a glue distortion afterwards. So here it is. Everything was flat, and when you get everything down, no fingers, no tensions, so after that you can just go ahead and squeegee the rest. So yeah, here it is. Alright, so in here, so as you can see, everything was flat. The mirror was flat, so I'm just gonna go ahead, spray my rapid tack, and then get this ridge line down. And yeah, we just massage the film, make sure no dry spots on those areas, and then just squeegee it. Yeah. So alright, the whole side is done. So after that, now wipe down everything, double check, make sure no waters left behind or bubbles. If you've seen any, just don't leave those alone, just squeegee it right away, right? So yeah, pay close attention to detail. Just double check this ridge lines right here. These are notorious areas where bubbles are left. So when you left those bubbles, it's always gonna be ugly afterwards. So yeah, after that, go ahead, proceed to the other side and do the same method. Alright, so the whole front clip is already protected now. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna show you what I did to Right, take a look at this. So it's already done. Right. Nicely stretched, no stretch lines, no dry marks, no dirt. Completely clean. All the edges there. Look at this. Inside there. So it went all the way up here. There was a cover goes around this area, so the rubber is gonna be up here. So the edge of the film is all the way there. That's the edge of the film. Cool. So for the bumper, we use premium shield pattern. Look at this. How cool that is, right? So everything was wrapped, all the edges is wrapped. So corners is wrapped as well. With just a little bit lifting there, I'm just gonna heat it up and push it down and it's all good. So it's wrapped all the way edge down to the edge here. Underneath is wrapped. So look at this. We didn't take out the letters, so we just go with the kit. So there's tiny bubble right there. So it is pretty tight. We wrap inside there, all the way to the back here, inside here, including these fender flares. It's all done and it's protected. Look at this. So when we do PPF, we always go above and beyond. This is to give the vehicle its maximum protection. So went inside there. Right. So hope you guys likes our video for today. Alright, so before I edit up this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched our video for today. Hope you guys are doing well wherever you're watching right now. And shout out to all of you. If this is your first time to this channel, my name is Wilmer and welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so you will be notified when we upload it, when we will be uploaded our next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and see you guys on our next video. Bye bye for now.